Canadian Solar reported a decline in net revenue of 10.6% year-over-year to $1.52 billion, below the consensus estimate. The decrease was mainly due to lower solar module average selling prices, but partially balanced by battery energy storage shipments. For the coming quarters and current fiscal year, CSIQ expects total module shipments to be 30 to 35 GW and total battery energy storage shipments in the range of 11 to 13 GWh, including approximately 1 GW and 1 GWh, respectively, to the company's projects. Total revenue is expected to be in the range of $7.3 to $8.3 billion versus the $7.375 consensus. Then Gevo will now host its next conference call, rescheduled for March 27th at 4:30 p.m. ET. GoPro introduced a limited edition polar white version of its award-winning Hero 13 Black camera, priced at $399.99, offering 5.3K 60 FPS video, hypersmooth 6.0 video stabilization, durability, magnetic mounting, and an Enduro battery. The Hero 13 Black and Polar White also comes with compatibility for all new interchangeable HB series lenses with auto detection, which includes ultra-wide lens mod, macro lens mod, ND filter 4-pack, and anamorphic lens mod, along with a GoPro Premium or Premium Plus subscription, which adds features like auto upload to cloud, automatic highlight videos via the GoPro Quick app, up to 30% discount on accessory purchases at GoPro.com, and damaged camera replacements. Instacart and Hy-Vee announced a partnership that sees the grocer using Instacart's Carrot Ads solution to enhance its advertising capabilities. The deal will allow Hy-Vee to access Instacart's ad technology, providing it with more than 7,000 brands worth of demand for CPG advertisers. The integration will enable Hy-Vee's Red Media division to create even more relevant experiences for customers and improve product discovery. The Carrot Ads solution has been used by over 220 retailers to power their retail media business. Instacart expanded its advertising offering by allowing over 7,000 of its brand partners to advertise on its AI-powered smart carts, Caper Carts. Previously available only to select brands during a pilot program, advertisers can now reach customers online and in-store using one campaign. The move is designed to help simplify advertising for companies promoting products via multiple channels. They also introduced new AI-powered automation tools designed to improve ad campaign performance and help brands achieve their business goals. Among the new tools are Universal Campaigns, which enables advertisers to create one campaign with one budget that auto-optimizes across multiple ad formats, saving them time in budget allocation and format optimization. iRobot has granted an Equity Award as a material inducement to the employment of its newly hired Senior Vice President and General Counsel, Kevin Lanouette. He received 120,000 time-based restricted stock units, RSUs, with an effective grant date of March 21, 2025. The RSUs will vest over 3 years, subject to continuous employment on each vesting date. This inducement award was approved by iRobot's board of directors and granted outside the company's equity incentive plan in accordance with Rule 5635(c)(4) of the NASDAQ stock market. For more on iRobot and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.